It was a historic moment when the nation stood proud. Jamaica became the first English-speaking nation in the Caribbean to make it to the FIFA World Cup. In 2013, Jamaica's senior football team, affectionately called the Reggae Boyz, is on the road again, this time dribbling for a spot at the 2014 FIFA World Cup in Brazil. Just as in 1997 and in subsequent attempts, Jamaica, led by the government, is once again cheering on the boys.
I'm proud and happy.
The road thus far has had its rough patches. In 2012, it came down to a nail-biting match with Antigua and Barbuda to decide if the boys would make it to the final qualifying rounds. They needed at least 4 goals in order to qualify. The crowd was in a frenzy in the cold night air at the National Stadium in Kingston. The question on everyone's mind, can they do it?
The Reggae Boyz are going all the way to the World Cup.
Even the most honorable Prime Minister could hardly contain herself, so nervous she couldn't stay in her cushy reserved seat. But with such support from their adoring Minister of Sports in front of the world's best batsmen and the ever-loyal country national, the boys rose to the occasion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jamaica found the back of the net multiple times and clinched its spot in the final qualifying rounds for Brazil 2014.
We really needed a victory, and we got the victory.
It means Jamaica is one of 6 nations from the region that will compete for 3 spots from the Caribbean and North and Central America.
I felt very confident indeed, because I am always aware of what we have, the quality players that we have. I was, however, a little concerned that we might not have scored the number of goals needed. And having come here and scored 4 goals, I am satisfied with the result.
We're not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody.
In this, the final round, Coach Theodore Whitmore knows it's do or die for him. Jamaica is hungry to once again taste the sweetness of being at the World Cup. The last outing was France 1998, too many years ago. He knows that with every game from the first on February 6th to the last in October, Jamaica's Reggae Boyz must be on the samba train to Brazil.
We have to have the right mindset. The GFF, the coaching staff have been working. We know 2014 campaign, it's not going to be easy, but we have to get the right mindset going into this campaign.
With every game, he says his plan is to encourage synergy among the players, despite some of the team members being based overseas.
What we try not to do is compare local and the foreign players. I think what we have is one unit, one aim, and we're working to reach the same goal.
Coach Whitmore was a member of that famous team to France 1998. The once midfielder scored the 2 goals in the country's lone win of the competition, a 2-1 victory against Japan. Whitmore says he's instilling nationalistic pride in the boys.
What we want to do now is erase history. I hope that we can erase what we have done 98 and move on to 2014.
Still, as sure as a forward line, the Jamaican fans, though critical, possessing their own thoughts of how to play ball, are cheering on the boys during the away and home games.
The good thing about a fan is that they support a team, whether they are winning or losing. I'm not a fair weather fan. And as long as the Reggae Boyz are playing, I'll be here at the stadium cheering for them and supporting them in any way that I can.
Brazil is my team, but if I'm at Brazil and a Jamaican and Brazil game, I'm going to cheer for Jamaica.
The decision is final. At the end of 2013, the country wants to sing "We're on the Samba Train," another trip to the FIFA World Cup. The ball is round and the game ain't over till the fat lady sings.